Chapter 8, 2D Detailing Procedures as per shop drawing requirements. 1. Drafting layout sheets, standard layout sizes. 2D detailing is to provide two-dimensional drafting element outline to maintain the accuracy of dimensions shown in relationship to the front elevation, top view, bottom view, side views, sections, and detail views. This chapter will contain references to general detailing standards and requirements. Detailer has to follow the standard U.S. engineering drawing sizes as shown in chart. 2. Drafting scale. Drafting required to set element drawings with exact scale, 1:1. The drawing is scaled to the actual dimensions of the thing represented. The 1:12 scale is a traditional scale ratio for models and miniatures. In this scale ratio, 1 inch on the scale model or miniature is equal to 12 inches on the original object being copied. Depending on the application, this particular scale, ratio, is also called 1 scale, since 1 inch equals 1 foot. A scale of 1 to 100 is indicated on a drawing using the code 1 to 100. This can be interpreted as follows: 1 centimeter, 0.01 meter, measured with a ruler on the plan would need to be multiplied by 100 to give the actual size of 1 meter. 3. Bill of materials. Please refer marked bill of materials for each member assembly. Details must be required in drawing layout sheet. A bill of materials, BOM, is a structured list identifying all materials and components required to fabricate the main member assembly product, as well as the instructions for procuring and using the materials. Bills of material BOM calculations use data from several sources to calculate the standard costs of a manufactured item. 4th, shop notes. Shop note is very important. Notes for fabricator for shop assembly process. Shop note, SCA, indicates bolted faying surface at slip critical connection are to be prepared. 3. All around the holes. Shop note for studs. 1. Studs should not be bend tested, and shop KTP produced by TGN 751 should exclude the requirement of bend testing these studs. 2. All stud welding should be in accordance with BSEN ISO 13918-2008. Welding, studs and ceramic ferrules for arc welding. Shop note, in addition to the welds shown on the drawing, all remaining joints to be seal weld. 5th, erector notes. Important information must be given on erection drawings to follow the procedure as per design requirements. So, erector will reading all erector notes before erecting the members. The following few, example for erector notes on erection drawing and field work drawings. First, field bolt tightening condition. Every connection bolts are varying and require different type of tighten process. In such cases, detailer has to mentioned bolt tightening condition on erection drawing. Second, erection direction of members means member orientation. 3rd, detail view reference drawings. 6th, member or assembly detail view and layout. Important information must be given on erection drawings to follow the procedure as per design requirements. So, erector will reading all erector notes before erecting the members. The following few example for erector notes on erection drawing and fieldwork drawings. First, assembly drawings. Provide a comprehensive view of how all components fit together in a product, used for both manufacturing and assembly guidance. Key features. Exploded views. Show components separated but aligned, indicating assembly order. Bill of materials, BOM, lists part numbers, names, quantities, and materials, linking to detail drawings. Section views, reveal internal structures and part interactions. Notes and labels include assembly instructions, torquey specs, and critical fit details. Ballooning, numbers or letters linked to BOM items for part identification. Dimensions, typically show only critical overall dimensions, e.g. assembly envelope, not individual part specs. Assembly drawing with attached parts for fabrication. Bill of material in assembly drawing. 7th Single Parts Detail View and Layout. Purpose: specify manufacturing details for individual components, ensuring they meet design and fabricator can cut the part with given preferences. Key features: dimensions and tolerances, exact measurements with necessary dimensions. Material specifications, define type, grade, and heat treatment. Surface finish, indicate roughness or coating requirements. Multiple sectional views, orthographic projections, front, top, side, and detailed sections or enlarged views for cutting edges and bevel preparation. Annotations include part number, revision history, and critical notes. Example, hardness R C40 to 45. Linking, BOM in assembly drawings reference part numbers, each corresponding to a detail drawing. Detail views in assembly, used to highlight complex interactions. Example, a gear mesh, without duplicating part-specific specifications. Single Parts Detail View and Layout. Thank you for watching.